Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today is a full-on get ready with me, okay? My daughter's basketball game is at 1 o'clock. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. So I'm giving myself a few hours to get ready. I always just like to, be on time, get dressed, look cute. I'm gonna have breakfast with you guys. I have my pan tostado, and of course, we can't get ready together without the cafecito. So I'm using my cute little Minnie Mouse mug that my daughter gave me for Valentine's Day. And then I will be watching Gracie TV, which is like a crime channel on YouTube. That's just my thing. I love watching anything a true crime. I am a true crime junkie. So I hope you guys enjoy this process. We're going to do skincare. We're going to do brows, which is rare. And then of course, makeup. Maybe we'll do outfit together and then hair if we have time. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you for being here. I hope you subscribe, and you already know, grab your cafecito, and let's jump right into today's video. Well, let's get started. I'm having just a few bites of my pan tostado and a sip of my coffee. My skin was feeling a little dry, a little tight, so we're going to do our skincare routine. This is the Tula Skincare Antioxidant Toner. I don't know that I love this, but I like it. And then I'm going to go in with my ordinary niacinamide serum. This has changed my skin. It's perfect for oily skin, large pores, and texture. Then I'm going to take my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. These really do give the skin that beautiful shine within, and it just makes the skin look so gorgeous. And then I'm going to move on to using this thermal spring water. I use this because I go in with a hyaluronic acid serum. Yes, my morning skincare routine is a little extra, but this is just what works for me and what works for my oily skin. And then I finish it off with the CoverGirl Matte Primer. Actually, it's not a primer, it's more of a moisturizer, but it just really kind of like calms everything down. I wanted to try these Nutri Eye by Pixi, and oh my goodness, you guys, I really like them. Now for the brows, I am going to go in with a little bit of the Got To Be glue. This is what I like to use to tame my brows and then kind of like set them down with the back of the spoolie. I just brush through them, let them dry a little, and then set them. After that, I go in with a little bit of concealer, carve them out just so I can get the shape going for me, so I can see what I want to draw. And then I'm going to take my NYX brow pencil. This has been such a game changer for me. It's a must in my brow routine now. I cannot live without this. I use the shade Espresso. Don't mind Lincoln, you guys. He was playing with Cleo, and yeah, he's a loud boy. Boys are rough. So anyways, moving on from brows, I went ahead and took off these little eye pads, and they felt so good. I'm gonna try the new Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. That's a mouthful, but it's almost like a serum, and it's supposed to give you that velvety-ish type of look to your skin. And I mixed it with the Milk Makeup Pore Clips mattifying primer, and I love this combination. My skin was matte, my pores were blurred, my skin just felt and looked so good. And then we are also going to color correct. I went ahead and used my Lawless Clean AF foundation. I will have the names as well as the shade that I used in the description box. I have not used this foundation in so long, I totally forgot about it. And oh my goodness, y'all, my skin throughout the day, it looked so good. It looked smooth. It looked filter, like pores, it just looked amazing. So I don't know what it is about mixing concealers, but I'm taking my Huda Beauty concealer, the faux filter one, and I mixed it with the Kosas concealer. There's something about the formula of both of these that just works. And then I'm going to take the Tarte Shape contour. And girl, when I'm telling you, I overdid it. I overdid it. I also took the new Milk Makeup contour stick and I used it to contour, not to bronze. So as you can see here, I used way too much. I forgot. So I was just kind of like wiping the excess on a little towel that I always keep on me. Like you can see here, because I was like, yikes. I added too much. I forgot how pigmented this Tarte wand was. Like, who do I think I am? So while I blended that out, I let the concealer set so I can get more coverage out of it. And then I just used a sponge. I go through phases where I like to blend out my concealer with sponges and then with brushes. I'm definitely in a sponge phase right now. Let me know how you like to blend out your concealer. Now for my blush, I'm taking this one by Jaclyn Cosmetics. I'm not sure of the name and I definitely overdid it. Like, I guess I was just in a overdoing mood this day, but it all works out, okay? I'm gonna try out this Nana powder from Metamorphosis. This was my first time trying it. Thank you, girls, so much for sending it to me. And as you can see here, first impressions, I was shook. My skin looked so smooth. It is so beautiful. If you guys want to support a small business, this is me being dramatic, but if you guys want to support small business, then definitely check out Metamorphosis. She has so many bomb products. This powder is chef's kiss. I'm going to set the entire skin using the new Makeup Forever Velvet Mattifying Setting Powder. Again, all shades will be listed in the description box down below, but I pretty much just set the entire skin. And then I used a little bit of my MAC Give Me Sun to lightly set the bronzer. And then I went with the new House Labs blush, which has just been my absolute obsession. It's so pretty. The formula is amazing, you guys. And let's not even talk about the packaging. And then for highlight, this has to be my favorite highlight of like 2023. It's just, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's the one by Rare Beauty. So love her products, you guys. Let me know if you guys want to see a full face of Rare Beauty, because I can totally do that. I think I need a few things, but I have pretty much everything. Now for the eyes, I wanted to keep it very simple. I am at an age where I don't feel as confident going out with like super dramatic makeup. I feel the prettiest when I'm wearing like lighter eye makeup. Don't get me wrong, I love me a full coverage. I'm a full coverage queen, okay? But when it comes to my eyes, I like to do almost the bare minimum, and that's what I feel comfortable with. So I just took a little bit of the bronzer and just kind of started really carving out like the natural crease in my eye just to give me a little bit of definition. Again, I didn't want to do anything too crazy, so I just did the very bare minimum, and I just used a fluffy brush to just kind of work everything in. And I'm not doing anything in specific, but I did want to add a pop of pink into the inner corner because I was wearing some white sneakers and they had pink. And since I don't really wear or own any shirts that are this color, I was like, I can add it to my makeup, and that's a perfect way of styling it together. So I'm using the new Colourpop Level Up mascara, and y'all, this mascara is so good. I was shook. And then of course we added some lashes. I think these are the ones from Beauty Creations and Let's Do Makeup. I felt like my brows needed a little bit of warmth. They look a little ashy, so I just took the NYX little mascara thing for the brows. You saw which one I'm talking about, just to add a little bit of color and a little bit more definition. So we're going to set the skin with the Urban Decay All Nighter for the matte version, and then the One Size Beauty setting spray. If you want your makeup to stay in place and look bomb all day, this is your go-to. Like, this is your concoction. You need this, and my makeup will not budge. It stays true all freaking day, you guys. I'm not even joking. So for the lips, I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. It's a really deep brown. It's so pretty. NYX definitely, like I'm telling you guys, they know what they're doing with their lip products. And then I mixed Madeline, and I also mixed Cinnamon Roll. So I added Madeline first, the butter gloss, and then I topped it off with the cinnamon roll butter gloss. Cinnamon roll is a little bit more cool toned, so I just feel like it really balanced everything. I don't know, I really like this lip combination, and so many of you were asking me on my Instagram what my lip combo was, and this is what it is. And this is the skin, this is the makeup. What do you guys think? I loved how this look turned out. Now we're gonna finish off by applying some earrings. I felt like hoop earrings went best with this look, and then I wanted to add fragrance. So I recently got this in the mail. This is the Hue by Hayley, and it smells so amazing. It's definitely a little like floral, fruity fragrance, and it smells delicious, you guys. Oh my goodness. If you love those types of scents, then you need this. For my outfit, I did something simple: a white sleeve shirt, some mom jeans, and then the pink and white Nike sneakers that I told you guys. Super simple, and I felt cute. This is my comfort zone. So this is what the end results look like. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay safe out there, and until next time, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.